Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on an Audi Q5 with the MOB interface. This is I think it's a 2018 car this. So it's the next one on from obviously the older version where the screen used to be sitting back there. So this is the whopping 12.3 inch one. It is quite big this one, to be honest with you, so don't be alarmed thinking it's too big. There is a 10.25 option in our website, which is obviously our more popular choice, but some people like big is best. So what you see here is the Android Auto, which is basically tuned into the Android phone. It acts as a dual operating app this, so if you do have an Apple phone you can get the CarPlay interface, but as you can see all this is fully touchscreen. It's nice and quick and responsive. Go out there, and obviously it's the as you can see, it's the Android Auto. It does work with the steering wheel controls, so I'll just show you. So I'll just lower it down in the background, hide it up. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to the Android operating system here, which is this one here. So this is the predominant force of the system. So it's the Android operating system, which is an Android 13 at the moment. That Android Auto is just an application built into this. So obviously this one's got the built-in Play Store and stuff like that. It does work perfectly in conjunction with your old menu settings. So if I just screw that one there, you can see that's the old Audi interface that you are normally used to. It does work with the original rear camera of the car. I'm not going to show you today because the car's off. I'm just going to basically show you a quick rundown of the video on how it looks. This has got MPH here, which is good. A lot of factories only offer kph, but this one you can change over in the settings. Simply to go back to the Android side, just press the touchscreen there, and this is your home page here. So this design here is on the original OEM design of the Audis today. So if you used to go into the Audi factory or Audi main dealers and order like a pretty new car off them, obviously this is what you would normally get. So they built it on the design of that. Navigation, put anything to it you want. I mean, it's got built-in Google Maps on it anyway, but you can download other maps of choice and link it over to there, like Waze, Copilot, TomTom, etc. You just download it from the Play Store into the system direct. Now this is an online app, so it does need an internet connection. So basically this is why you're probably not getting nothing now, because we've not put an internet connection, but you can put a SIM card to it, or you can link your hotspot on your phone to it either. Your music app here, this is if you want to play your music your old-fashioned through a USB pen. It does come with 2 USB cables, so you can put a USB pen in there and put your movies on there as well as your album covers. Just to show you, that's the music app. This is the video app, again through the USB. So as you can see, you'll probably see a dummy, maybe a test one on here. So let's see if it comes on. Sometimes the factories put a test one on for you. Don't think there is one actually. No. So factories forgot to put one on there. There's normally one on the internal memory just to show you how it works. Oh yeah, here we go. So as you can see, it works with this has got the Bang & Olufsen sound system in here today, so the sound system's always perfect. That's just a little dummy test video that they put on there. Let me just lower it down. Okay, so the next option we're going to show you is the phone link one, which is obviously the Android Auto CarPlay one, which I showed you earlier on. If you're taking your phone calls through that, obviously there's no need to use this one here. That one's, if you don't use that app, then obviously you can use the Android Bluetooth, which is this one here. So obviously you can take your phone calls through it that way. Card info, which takes you back to the original menu. Weather, this is where we are, Brambra, so it's a nice little feature to it that you can add on there. Test the humidity and stuff like that. Settings, okay, this is your back end settings here. A lot of them you don't really need to tweak, obviously, but if you do have any issues with configuring to the car and stuff like that, just give us a shout and we'll help you through it. Show you what's got in here. Okay, just a good thing is some people prefer to have a specific video and a music app on the home page, which you can do that on this one. So for example, if you've downloaded Spotify or something, it will go into here and you see your apps in there, and you can choose whatever app you want in there. Alternatively, the other one is the video app, so you can put like what Amazon Prime into there or whatever, Netflix, and then choose it on there, and then it'll go onto these 2 apps here, so you'd have them on the home page. Let's go back to settings. Also a little trick with the volume is sometimes if you notice any humming on your auxiliary or USB, all that basically means is you just need to lower down the media settings and use the car's original sound settings, because sometimes if this is too high and you don't have to use the volume on the car too much, then obviously you can get a little bit of interference, but just make sure you tailor these to your car, and that will get rid of any humming. It's very rare, but obviously it's a little trick for you. Languages, just in case you're not from our UK. There's quite a few there. Okay, system info. There you go, just like a little bit of storage information there. Does have the Snapdragon processor in this one, which basically you're not going to find any better in this industry. Okay, let's go on to another menu here. There's your DVR camera app. Just to let you know, when you add the DVR camera that we sell, you get a different app to this one here, so that one wouldn't work. Dashboards, just basically speedometer and revs per minute and stuff like that. You can change the colours on this one if you want to different colours like that. Let's go back out. File manager. Okay, if you know what this is, then you know, but obviously this is useful if you're going to be downloading any third-party applications onto the system that are not in the Play Store. So a lot of people tend to want to put the IPTV on there, but you can't get that in the Play Store, so people tend to download it from another site, put it onto a pen drive, and then you can upload it through this one. So that's a good little feature there. Browser, again, it's just an internet browser if you want to go start searching for Iceboxauto products or stuff alike. And this is your application center. So basically this is what holds every app that it has. So if you download anything from this Play Store here, then obviously it will go into this center here. You just need to log into that one. Okay, there's your built-in amp settings there. Let's have a little look what else. Equalizer settings, should I say, sorry. Google browser. Sometimes that comes on. Oh, get lost. You know what's happened there? Because Google Assist's on, because I mentioned the word that, it's obviously gone into life and wants to act for me, like, so that's why that came up, because I mentioned the G word. Okay, so another browser there, you got a user manual on there. Settings app, that one app there says your CarPlay one. Dab Z, which is the offline dab app, but you do need to add the offline dab kit, which we sell for $30.99, but again, you can download DAB from the Play Store and give it an internet connection, use it that way. Okay, so there's much more I can show you on this, guys. So I hope you liked the video. It's the first one we've done on the Q5 of this age, so hence the video. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a holler if you need this. We'll put the contact details down below and the link to the product. And if you got any questions, give us a shout. Take care. Bye-bye.